So another quick video on how to change some settings in the backend of the website. The website runs on WordPress, and in this video I want to show how you can update your user profile at the backend of the of the of the website. So basically, how you can update your user profile in WordPress. To enter the backend of the website, you have to use this address: supplychaindataanalytics.com/vplogin.php. This will take you to this window. And now if you're part of the team, I already sent you a username and a password, and I created an account for you. So you can click on login with username and password. Then you can enter your username and your email address and your password. You can also select Remember Me, and then you will be logged into the website. And if you select Remember Me, you will be automatically recognized next time you enter the website. Once you're logged in, this will take you to the backend. Now this backend will look different depending on what kind of user roles you have. For example, I'm the administrator of the website, so I will have access to the entire backend. If you're an author, you will have access to some parts of the backend. If you are a subscriber, you will only have access to a very limited part of the backend. And if you're an editor, you will have access to more things than an author, for example. So depending on what kind of user role you have, you will have a backend that looks accordingly. And if you want to update your profile, which is one of the first things that you should do, you can find the user section here, and you can click on profile, and this will give you the possibility of updating your user profile. So you can put your name, you can put a nickname, you can choose how your name is to be displayed publicly. Your internet address, your email address you can update here. You can add your personal website, your social media accounts, and then it's very important that you also populate this by graphical info. Now, if you just publish in English, you could, for example, just fill out the English section, and I will populate, for example, the German, Danish, Chinese, Spanish, and Portuguese section. But if you publish in different languages, then make sure to fill out your biographical info here in these boxes in the various languages that you use for publishing. And then you will have to upload a profile picture. Now there's an option here for logging in with your Gravita account. It's not that important. You only need this if you want to use a tool that I have running on the website for a booking system that allows visitors to book appointments with you. Most users are not interested in using that system, so in your case, it's probably enough if you just upload the profile picture down here. Now, this is the simple author box profile picture. This is the picture that's going to be appearing at the bottom of each article that you're writing. So make sure to upload this profile picture, and also there's going to be another section down here for social media accounts. So this is basically a repetition of the section above here, but it's used by different plugins that are running on the website. So make sure to specify all your social media accounts down here again. So specify them in both sections, in the section above and the section that you see here. And that's basically it. Then you can click Update Profile, and then your user profile is updated. And when you then enter the website, you will be logged in. So you will have this bar on the top here. If you chose the option Remember Me, the website will remember you, and you will be automatically logged in. So you have a menu bar up here that allows you, that gives you direct access to some functionality of the backend. And if you click on a post, and if we go to the bottom of the post, this is where the information related to this simple author box add-on, a simple author box section is going to appear. So the information that you've been writing into your biographical biographical information box will be appearing here, as well as your name, your picture that you uploaded in the simple author box section, and all the social media accounts that you specified in the simple author box section will be appearing here, giving visitors the possibility of directly accessing some of your social media accounts to connect with you on various social media accounts. And then that's basically it. Just a quick example showing you how you can update your user profile. And yeah, I recommend doing this as the first thing after being set up as a new user on the website.